Hi, team. Hi, team. How are you, team? Morning. Hi, Greg. Kamusta, Greg? Thank you, Greg. Salamat, Greg. Thank you. Hi, honey. Honey, my love, so sweet. Philippines. Hi, Philippines. Thank you, Greg. Hi. How are you doing, Cheryl? I'm doing, ba yun? We're doing clean room, clean home, swimming later. Last night, Cheryl hooked Carlos up with one of her friends. Yeah. Welcome, everyone. Please comment, like, and subscribe to Cheryl channel. Thank you so much, Greg. Thank you so much. Good morning, Philippines. Good morning. Thank you, everyone. Hi, JP. Good morning, Cheryl. I hope you are well. Yeah, I'm well. Thank you, JP. How are you, JP? Aray. How are you, JP? Thank you so much. Welcome to my live. How are you? Are you good? Thank you. Morning, guys. Thank you for the thumbs up po. Salamat. Thank you, Manuel. Ay, Cheryl. Minda, Linda, Gustosa, Beho. Hi. Hi, Manuel. Where is your kid? At the comfort room, my kid. Thank you. I'm happy you're getting your more watching hours, Cheryl. I'm happy too. I'm so much happy, Greg. Thank you, Greg. Thank you. I hope. I hope I reach watch hour. Yes. Thank you, Greg. Thank you for supporting me. Where is your home? I live with my parents. Philippines. No home. No home. Jason Ghost Hunter. Hi there. Drop in to say hello from Cheryl. Us. From Sydney, Australia. Hi, Jason Ghost Hunter. Thank you, Jason. I will bring more people to channel to subscribe. Okay. Thank you so much, Greg. Salamat, Greg. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much, guys. Manuel. Hi, Minha, Rena, Linda. Hi, Manuel. Jason, Ghost Hunter. I have lots of ghost hunting videos on my channel. I will visiting your I will visit your channel, Jason, later. Philippines. Hi, I'm in the Philippines, but I'm gonna go to the America. Okay. Oh, that's good, Philippines. Coffee lover. Yes, the coffee lover. Coffee lover here. Chitia Haflong. Good morning, Chitia Haflong. Hi, good morning. Good morning. Next year, I coming to Philippines, to Manila, and I will go over Philippines. I be there for 1 month. Wow, that's good. That's good, Jason. Wow. Chitlea Haflong from Philippines. Jeffy the carrot, gorgeous smile. Thank you, Jeffy. Salamat. Gorgeous smile. And maybe I have a beautiful smile. Charot. Thank you, guys. Elsie Val. Hi, Elsie Val. Coffee na. Coffee na. Can you smile, please? Ang sarap. Yeah, nag-smile na. When I smile, the wrinkles. Have wrinkles. What part of Philippines you in? Bicol Province, Philippines. I'm here in Bicol Province, Philippines, Jason. Hi, Greg. Thank you. Beautiful, Mary. Thank you, Elsie Val. Hola. Thank you, Elsie Val. Elsie Val. Okay, I'll look it up. Yeah. Near, we have, there. Volcan Mayon. Mayon. Kinyo Sigma. Sigma, bye. Sigma. Maganda ka. Thank you, Elsie Val. Thank you. JP. Love making you smile and laugh. Gabriel. Thank you, JP. Di kayo pod, Gab. Gabriel, di kayo pod. Irong ka sa. Mali ka na doon. Assign ka sa sorsogon, Gary Berboy, sa irosin. Irosin po. Irosin, sorsogon, Bicol. Thank you, guys. Thank you for the 4 thumbs up. Thank you. Salamat. I will be back. Maganda, Sheryl. Thank you, Greg. Thank you for joining. Salamat. Magandang gabi. Albay ako, Daraga. Okay. Daraga. Sorsogon po. Sorsogon. Makipakasalan ka sa akin. Yes, si Val. Hi, Osibal. What's wrong your kid? He ano? Awat lang. What's wrong? Ano lang, mudaman lang mo na yan. Yes? Okay na, kayo. Ako naman. Ako na, Gab. Are you tea or coffee? Coffee. Coffee, Jeffy. Coffee. Ako, hindi mo na ba para sa mudo? Hindi ko na ikaw yung pod. Nauyam na ako, Gab. Nauyam mo na ako. Coffee lover. Thank you for the thumbs up. Salamat. Jose Costa, I mean Halinda, querida, tudo bem com você, meu amor? What it means? GP the pirate, never mind, we can't all be perfect. Yeah. That's right, JP. Te mama buano noiti. Gus Sanders, hi Gus Sanders. Good morning, Sheryl. How are you doing? Doing coffee. Drink coffee. Thank you so much, Sanders. Salamat. Thank you for joining. Amiga, yes, amiga. Mi amiga. Salamat. My pleasure to be here. Thank you, Sanders. Gus Sanders. Salamat. How many months your birthday? My birthday is February. Me, Biglan, Gus on same team. Okay. Me, Biglan, Gus on same team. Okay. That's why. Thank you, Greg. Salamat. February what? 2. February 2. Yes, we are, Greg. What plans do you have for your day? Today, the plans, we're going to swimming at the pool with my niece and my son. Later. After coffee. Thank you, guys. Salamat. Are you in the Philippines or no? I'm here in the Philippines. I'm here in the Philippines. I will be there, Sheryl. Thank you, Greg. Thank you for the 6 thumbs up na. Salamat. Thank you, guys. Oh, thank you po. You will be there. Sounds fun. Are you talking about a natural pool? Yeah. Natural pool. Yes. Natural. You're gonna take Ashley to the pool. Yes, I'm gonna take Ashley to the pool. Goddess, God. Thank you, Nagsiba. Gab, pag diri ka nag-formal, Gab, diri ko talaga ikaw po. Nabo ko baga sinano, rebok. Kanina ka pa. Thank you, guys. I'm happy. Thank you, guys, for always here in my live stream. Thank you. Happy. Wish. Maybe we need to create a team. Team. What a team? We need a teamwork. The team. you support me, and I hope I support you back. Guest Sanders here on YouTube. Thank you for like, subscribe, comments, everyone. It's free to do. Thank you, Sir Sanders. Salamat. It's not too personal. How old is your child or children? My son is, I have one kid only. My son, 8 years old. Not not, it's okay. It's okay for that, JP. Char, Hirik gun. Hirik gun. Huh? I feel better. I feel better now. Thank you, Jay. I thank you, Tem. I feel better now. Okay. Concerned citizen. Is the medicine done? Yeah. Is the medicine done? Great age. Still excited about everything, but old enough to communicate with. Yeah. Marunong magbasa, love. Marunong magbasa, love. Yeah, JP. Where are you from, JP? Again, I forgot. Sorry, maybe you are from, Australia? No, New Zealand? I forgot. Oh my God. What do I ask? Thank you. Thank you for the 5. Thank you for the 5. Watching me. Watching my life. So how much in the 6 million thumbs up? I'm in the southwest of England. Ah, okay. I remember England. Oh my God. England. Ah, I wish. Wish. Oh, England is one of the beautiful country. The nature. I see the nature, the landscape. Yeah. The no kind of the cultures also. I love the dress, like the dress that's like the long gown, the dress. England. Actually, I do live in some amazing landscape there. Wow, that's. I love nature. I'm a nature lover. JP. Maybe can you see us the beautiful nature there. I really love nature. The the river, like the clear water of the sounds of nature. I love it. Sounds of nature. Water sounds. Maria. Beautiful hair. Thank you. Charot. Salamat. Beautiful hair. Thank you po. Thank you guys. Salamat. Aray ko. Yes, thank you. Thank you, Elsie Ball. God. She needs a hair treatment done. Done. I care my hair. Treatment done. JP, I love being in nature too. Cities are not good for me. How good is your memory? Try to remember that more and Google it when you finish your live stream. Yeah. I love, me too. City is not good also for me. Nature is, ano, it makes me, uh, healthy mind, having a peace of mind, having a peace of, ano, healthy mind is the quiet place. The green colored, I love the sea. Yes, I love being in nature too. Wow. If you ask me, di baling mind love sa'yo si Jai Boji. Alam kong kasi nga pang kasi. Yes, so bad. I can almost beat Ruby Black Cars already, ha? Nano! What? What, Tim? Nano? Ano? Anong sabi? Load. May load yun. Oh, may load. Oh, I mean Helinda. I do understand what you are trying to say. I can relate. Yeah, thank you, JB. Gabriel, magpasensya ka na kay kuya ka. Kaya makata kita sa ano. Sige na, ayun na pag ano. Ay, kung nirog suon, di rin na kita makadto. Dapat pag kuya. Elsie Val, love you. Thank you, Elsie Val. Thank you. Thank you so much. I can almost beat Ruby Black Carlos already. What? Black? Why? Oh. Bakit? So, why, Tim? Why you say that? Thank you, Jeffy. Dartmoor is a national park in England. Is where? Wait lang. I need to, this. Why? Dartmoor is a national park in England. It's where I live and like to spend time in nature. Wow. Amazing, GP. I'm just thinking. Why? Why ano? Awatan si Dada. Badi nagbakalad do food sta. Ay, badi, awatan si mama mo makasakay. Nabayaan siya sa bus.
Dili. Pagtawad pa ba yun? Tula oras?
Ay, mabahog pa si Dada mo rin sa tulay.
Dili na. Wala man surig sa ay. Wala man pala.
Wala orig? Wala man ka mo rin sa tulay?
Oo, pinabakan.
Ay, pinabakan na?
Tawad!
Kuya, love you Manila. Hi! Ang hirap mag-alaga ng ano. To. Why is he acting like that? What is he mad at? He Colette. Gab Colette. Ash. JP.
Tito.
I'm looking forward to spending time with Colette.
Dili kita mabaho kaya.
Oo, latong ta. Kama bakal kita po. Dis na naman ano tadi
Tricycle na. Ayaw na.
Ay, magugutom kita sundid ko. I'm looking forward to spending time in... Oh. Pag diri nagkakaon, magkasirin o kita sundid to. Wait lang, I'm looking forward to spending time in the Philippines countryside when I get there. Oh yeah, it looks amazing. Yes. Yeah, here in Bicol, Mini have a beautiful place. Nature. Beautiful place. Hi, it's really hard to talk. Sorry, I'm not fluent in English, Hope you understand, Jeffy. Thank you. If you ask nag-iibig.
Hoy, yarog mo yung lalaw tapos.
Baski diin ka nagkakadto. Nanan pa may mo. Naruto?
Oo. Minato.
O nana ang gusto mo?
Gusto ko. Minato.
Nana?
Baruto.
Sakura ay One Piece. Ano niya di? At nana isa di? Nana ang gusto mo?
Mas TikTok.
O nana ano? Ano?
Ipan.
Diri. Ano si Ash? Nana ang gusto mo?
Sa TikTok. Wala man dun TikTok. Binara nila. Sa'yo mo mo.
Ay nako. Pag ako nangisog. Hindi may bata ho. Hey, don't apologize. Your English is amazing. Thank you, JP. Ay. Gabriel, nauyab na ako. Habo nga niya magpaimod. Beautiful smile. Thank you, Elsiva. Sige, ano na, diri na lang ako makadto. Nanong gusto mo? Ay! May stress ako. Is that your son? Yeah. My niece. It's just my niece and my son. She's my niece. My niece, my toes, my shoulder. Naglo-loading. Di ba naglo-loading? Pipindot mo pa, no? Dapat pabayaan mo lang. Wala na nangyari doon sa bata. Todo. Okay. Where is my spot? Spot? What is spot? Where is spot? If you ask me, di baling main love sa'yo si Driver G. Alam kong kasing napagkalakas kasi isa pa yan. Anong gusto pa inay? Ask me, di baling main love sa'yo si Driver G. Alam kong kasing napagkalakas. Dance. Tell him your friend from the other side of the world says, hi!
Welcome
Say
to my
hi,
vlog.
say. Hi from GP the pirate.
The pirate.
She's from from England.
From England.
Southwest England. Ibaling my love saying
Si Cha Bibi.
Jose, Inday. Hi, Inday.
Bibi.
Ay,
Alam mo.
nako. Berting, kumusta Berting?
Isa to me. Di ba my love is
Ayaw,
Cha
alam.
Bibi. Dahil?
Oo. Ano ba yagam? Ganun na tayo ba ko? Hi, Cheryl. Hi, Mark. Hi, Mark. Kuya, kuha man dito gaban ang charger ko.
Babak ko yung lalabas kaya.
Pero to si Papa mo, kasi malito si Papa mo sa balon.
Tagilo, wasak kaya.
Ano?
Tagilo, wasak kaya.
Gutom-gutom. Hi, Jory. Hi, Mark.
Matis kilala kita.
Hindi lang dito abot ang tricycle. Sabong to?
Oo.
Pwede.
Ayan na. Kaya
Okay na.
na. Bye-bye.
Ay, isa.
Bye-bye. Bili na lang yan na sila na salbida.
Pagka ito sabong to, dardara mo yan. Mapapungtong na kami ha. Baka lang. Ayaw mo na pagkupusa. Mapagalon mag-ano. Hi po.
Tita,
Hi guys. Thank you. Hi Jerry. Welcome back Jerry. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you guys. At ano man sasabi ko sa'yo, at sa bawat minuta. Welcome. Thank you guys. Thank you Hey, beautiful. Thank you. Hey, like down low. Hello. Hi Jerry. Thank you for joining the live. This sounds like they can be handful. Handful. Hi. Hanap. Kuya Gab, dalhin si Ash. Maghanap din sa'yo ng chinilas. We're going to the market. We buy foods. Thank you guys. Salamat. Bye. We're going to the market. Bye guys. Thank you so much for Ay, sus na. Wait. I need your WhatsApp so I can send you something. Ha?
Wal mag-ibig na may ilan.
Jared, no. Wait lang. Wait lang guys. A gift him. Thank you, Jerry. Thank you for the gift. Wait lang.
Mo, wala maditin para anak ko na.
Sasi ano? Kain daw yun to. Sa sirong agab. Wait guys. Bye beauty pal. Bye JP. She don't need one. I thought you found someone. Wait lang guys. Where? Len ka na dali. Gagawin niya ako paghanan. Hinahanap na. Ha?
Chat ko na.
You don't need to be jealous. Jerry, she don't need a gift. What is it? Just friend then. Brazil is 90s. Hola. Saglit. Kim, don't be like that. If she's committed to you, you have nothing to her. Chat si mama mo. Dili ka niya ito nagbabasa ni mama mo. Kaya nag-ano ito sa bus. Ngayon na. Parang kanya. Pwede na lang ang gamit ako. Mared. Pwede na ito. Kay maano kita, mabakal kita dito sa slipper mo. Hindi na mag-ibig. Kaya nakaano ako. Magano ka na lang ano ng books. I thought found. Sandali. Sandali kayo, may nagbabasa ako comments because you are friends now. When she didn't give your... We are just friends. It's a surprise. Surprise gift because you are friends now. Thank you, Jerry. I have no WhatsApp, Jerry. No, my phone is full storage. Aray. Ano ta kami nag-ano? My phone is full storage. No, no space for new WhatsApp. No. Ako tayo nag-irog ba sa Nakalayog ako. Ba? Wala nag-ibig. Gabriel! Sarok pa. Di kayo upon. Ang nilay ng pamate mo. Pag nilay ng pamate, di ito din nag-ano. Ha? Tapos dito si Hibi. Ba wala nag-ibig? Bawal nag-ano. Hi, I'm not trying to date her time. Facebook. It's okay about that, but as you see, she read your comments about what's up. And where is she now? I'm just saying, Jerry. And can she have friends? Good morning, Geraldine Inano. Hi, Geraldine. Kumusta? Kumusta na? Geraldine, musta? Kumusta? Geraldine is my friend here. Geraldine Inano is my friend here. Shout out to Geraldine. Salamat! La 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 da da dee da dee da. Sheryl, you are like a model. Thank you. Thank you, Mark. Really? Da 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 da. I like a model. I'm like a model. Guys, she will be back in about hour if you want to chat with her. Yan. Supermodel, thank you. You were doing.
Balunan.
Ay, mabakal mo na kami, mabakal mo na pugsa.
Wala ini. Ang bago ko.
Mabakal mo na ang pagkana. Luto niyo ka ako ha.
Fine.
Lots help for you. Thank you.
Dali na, baka kita pagka.
Okay, saglit lang. Okay. Hala. Can I get your Facebook number or no? Wait guys, I will be back. Need to because Ash is I will be back. Bye bye guys. Aray! Oo, nasa Pinas. Ay.